Sup everyone, this is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, and we're here to help you take control of your financial destiny. On this channel we talk about apps that involve money and investing, and today we're going to be talking about the Acorns app and how you can lock your checking account debit card. So first you want to start off by opening the Acorns app up. Then you'll need to enter your PIN number. You'll then be taken to the home screen. Now, an important thing to note is you do need to have access to the Acorns debit card. If you don't have access to it or you haven't signed up for it yet, you'll need to do that first. Assuming that you have that set up, you want to scroll down and click on the checking account. From here, you want to click the wrench icon in the top right hand corner. You'll then be shown your account information, and if you scroll down, you'll see the option to lock your debit card. I'm going to click it, and it's just asking me if I want to lock it or not. This means that no transactions will go through while the card is locked. That's cool with me right now, so I'm going to go ahead and click on lock. And boom, all transactions that attempt to go through will automatically be blocked because the card is locked. If you want to unlock it, you just click the button here. It asks if you want to unlock it, and click on unlock. And that in a nutshell is how you lock your debit card on the Acorns app. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you have an interest in signing up for Acorns yet and you haven't done so, you can do so using the link in the description or the pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit that bell notification if you want to be notified the next time I come out with another video. This has been Elijah with Financial Anatomy. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.